Hey guys, so I'm building a brand new firewood hut. And you're just going to see me start to finish off the floor here. As you can see, I've already put the supports in and the flooring. So I'm just going to show you guys how I put my flooring in. And then how I put the slats on top. And then we'll get going from there. So first of all, what I do is I line the 4x4 up with the 2x4, and then I drill it in. I put 8 screws in each side just to make sure it balances out. And now I'm going to get started on that one next. Okay, so now I've got all 6 of my supports in on the 2x4s so I can brace my uprights. I'm going to put the floor in. And what I'm going to do, because I have my uprights that are going to go here, I'm going to keep this board as close as I can to it. That board's a little warped. Close enough for me.
Pause.
Okay, so I put 4 screws in across the braces to hold the floor down. And then what I use for spacing are small little cut-offs of it to make it so that the wood, when it's placed on top of it, can dry. And that's how I'm going to do it, and that's what I'm going to do here. I also have the center lines marked for my 4x4s, and I'm going to do the same on both sides of this. Hey guys, as you can see, if you want to look over this way, I've built the frame with the 3 uprights that I needed to build it with. I've used 3-inch construction screws. I put 2 in on the base and front side, and 1 in on each side for top and bottom to support it. So now that you guys seen this, I'm going to start building this one, and I'll let you guys see a little clip. Okay guys, so I'm going to put this one in. I've only got a screw holding it up right now, so I'm putting 3/4 inch screws in. I'm putting 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and 1 on both the other sides. that's basically how you do it. It's actually just a little bit inside, but when I put a bracket across, I'll straighten it out. So I'm going to do this for the next two, and then I'll get you guys to get a clip of how I put the top on. Okay, so I'm just putting in the top. You guys saw me screw the bottom boards in. I'm using the same technique on the top. So here. Excuse me, girl. Thank you, Taff. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw this end in, and then I'll screw this one in. And I'll be right back to you guys in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I've put in the supports at the top to help brace it. Unfortunately, I totally forgot to record this. So to show you guys exactly how it looks, I went and I put in screw holes on the bottom and top. If you look right there, you'll see it. So there's one on the top and one on the bottom to help the brace. And if you look up at the top, you'll see I've got 1x6s running across in 4 areas. That's because I'm going to run the roof across on a horizontal basis. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got my roof put up and I'm running it horizontally across the supports. So I'm just going to screw it in. And that's basically how you're going to do it. I'll give you guys a clip after I get my roof set up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I've got part of the roof done already and all that, and that's as far as I can go right now. Unfortunately, I've ran out of wood, but I will continue to update this and finish off the roof and hopefully get the sidings in. I'm still not sure exactly what I'm going to do about the siding, but it will become a really good firewood hut.